The Fairfax County Park Authority operates 10 markets throughout Fairfax County. The first market to open will be the Burke Market on April 16th, and then the rest of the markets will open in late April and the first week of May. We accepted about 20 new vendors, and we have about 80 returning vendors, so you're sure to find something unique and delicious. Our 10 markets are managed by volunteers. The volunteers are what allows us to operate 10 markets Wednesday through Sunday in different locations. So this season we're looking for about 12 to 15 new market managers to support our markets. The responsibilities include setting up and breaking down market supplies, helping vendors set up, being there to answer questions from customers and vendors, enforcing market rules and ensuring safety at the market, and just really making the market a welcoming and fun environment for everyone. Volunteer market managers are really the ones that support the markets, and it's a really great way to get involved in your local communities, support local food producers, and support community health by increasing access to fresh and healthy foods. And it's a really fun and rewarding experience. We're looking for people who are excited about local foods, about supporting local businesses, and really excited to get more involved in their community. We ask that volunteers commit to 1 day a week for their chosen market, and it's about a 5-hour commitment per week. You can sign up by visiting our website. There'll be a direct link to sign up for the market manager opportunity. And we also have an Instagram, Fairfax Farm Markets. Come out and learn about the markets and what it's like to be a volunteer and talk to us.